Keeping an eye on your filter's pressure is essential for maintaining a clean and efficient pool. We'll show you the quick and easy process of replacing a Hayward sand filter gauge. Start by making sure the pump is off. Then turn the multiport valve to the closed position. Remove the old gauge by turning it counterclockwise. It's normal to see a small amount of water leak from the filter head during this step. Next, quickly thread the new gauge into place by turning it clockwise. Hand tighten it until there are no drips. Finally, turn the valve back to the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward sand filter gauge is replaced and ready to help you keep your pool water sparkling clean. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance guides or contact your local Great Escape pool experts. We're always happy to help.